Oregon's reopening plans now on hold. What about the thousands who want to attend church, a synagogue, or a mosque? Well, today the Oregon Supreme Court ruled against a group of churches who sued the governor, claiming she doesn't have the authority to keep churches closed. Jenny Young going beyond the headlines tonight. And Jenny, what do they say is going to happen now?
Well, I talked to the attorney who represents those churches, and he says they could continue to pursue this, but they would shift the focus of the argument. However, he says he doesn't think it's worth it at this point.
I have always believed, and I will believe probably to the day I die, that the church has an essential role in the community.
Doug Snow is the senior pastor at Calvary Chapel Southeast in Clackamas County. He says lately life has been increasingly hard for some of their members.
People who are alone and don't have support of families with them, and they're being fed fear nonstop. It has an effect upon people.
For the last 3 months, up until last Sunday, people couldn't legally worship together inside the church. And even though the county has moved into phase 1 of reopening, still only 25 people can attend a service.
You know, we have things set up here to be very safe, and we love our people. We don't want anybody to get sick.
Snow was part of a group of several churches we told you about back in May who challenged Governor Brown's executive order.
Under the Constitution of the United States, we've been granted that right and freedom to assemble.
They should be trusted and should be given the opportunity to do that.
Ray Hackey is the attorney who argued the case, first in front of a Baker County Circuit Court judge who ruled in favor of the churches and threw out Brown's order. Hours later, though, the Oregon Supreme Court ruled that judge's decision temporarily invalid. And on Friday, the court announced a ruling in favor of Brown.
How did you feel when you found out the news?
It hurt. Losing is never fun.
Both Hackey and Snow said protesters are currently allowed to exercise their First Amendment right and believe it should be the same for churches.
And I'm saying, well, if they're able to protest, in close quarters up in Portland, there's nothing at all stopping you from doing the same thing from meeting in protest.